Now let's continue transfer control statements in Python. As part of AWS for Python, we are discussing control statements. In that, we are continuing transfer control statements with examples. So transfer control statements, we have to yeah. So break statement and continue statement, we can take inside a loop. It may be for loop, it may be while loop with condition. With condition. Observe, observe, break and continue. Break and continuity. Okay. So first I am generating values 1 to 10. Here 1 is inclusive, 11 is exclusive. So it will generate 1 to 10. Okay. So here first 1 we are storing into V. 1 we are storing into V. Then we are checking 1 equal to 5. Condition is false. Then here we are printing 1. Here we are printing 1. Then 2 going to store it into V. 2 going to store it into V. 2 equal to 5? No. We are printing 2. We are printing 2. Then 3. 3 equal to 5? No. We are printing 3. We are printing 3. 4. We are passing 4. 4 equal to 5? No. We are printing 4. We are printing 4. V equal to 5. 5 equal to 5. Condition is true. If condition is true, it executes break statements, right? Breaks entire loop. Breaks entire loop. Control comes out of the loop. So we are getting only 1 to 4 values. But coming to continue, 5 equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. It will continue next iteration. It will not execute continuation statements. It continues next iteration, that is called 6. 6 equal to 5. No, we are getting 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breaks the loop when the condition is satisfied. Continue ignores current iteration and continues next iteration. Clear, right? Difference between break and continue? Continue ignores only current iteration, so that we see 1 to 4, 6 to 10. Range function generates values 1 to 10 here. 1 is inclusive, 11 is exclusive. 1 to 10 only it will generate. Okay.